Yes, people, true Jamaican vibes, fire rate. So, guys, I'm in the Seaview area. Everybody know up on the southeast side is a very nice area, guys. So, when you come to Seaview, you always check out that spot here and you can get a fresh vegetable. Any ground food you want at Seaview, you can stop right here. Yeah, man. So, get to know tomato, anything you want, banana, sour sap, papa. So we know say no person nice like a St. Elizabeth, you know. We can't feed off the whole of Jamaica when we talk about St. Elizabeth. Best price you can ever think about, you know. Yeah, man, just big up somebody see if you don't know, so we have St. Elizabeth and a free purchaser. So big up anybody you want, big up any at all.
Well, I just want to big up Snakey, the boss for this.
So see, when you Snakey,
yeah.
so big up yourself, Snakey. So you hear she talk about you, so big up yourself. Yeah, man, that's the way you have to say, mommy, you know,
Yes,
say a free places.
the boss for this lovely place you see here with all these nicely fresh vegetables.
Yeah,
and
man.
Food, whatever you want to come by and you're passing Steeveview, you can just stop at Snakey's stall. You're always welcome.
Yeah, man, so always welcome. I tell us anytime you pass here, so I tell us the beauty of the place where you can look upon and the vegetable them fresh and green and pretty. So you must always stop at Seaview, guys. Very, very nice area. So now have to worry about nothing on that Seaview. So big up yourself again, mommy. Yeah, man.
Same to you.
Manners and respect.
And
yeah, man. So yeah, man. So I don't know St. Elizabeth with the bread basket. We know say St. Elizabeth at the bread basket, you know. So you must stop at Seaview and get on a ground product anytime at all. No one tap, you know. Manners and respect with people. So yeah, man, so we're in the Seaview area. We can stop and get to know jerk chicken and jerk pork, guys. Very, very nice area in the Southfield area. Yeah, man, so you must always leave in the comments in the comment section and tell me what you think about this area, guys. No, so the jerk center kind of closed right now, so can't get to buy no jerk chicken and no jerk pork. So if you're passing through this area, you still can check it out, guys. Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican vibes, fire raid. Yeah, man, so big up on yourself. Anyone I watch from Yard or abroad, you can big up on yourself. So, guys, today I am in St. Elizabeth. One place them call named Seaview in the Southfield area, guys. So sit down and enjoy the tour with your Jamaican tour guide, Fire Raid. I think the reason why I'm calling it Seaview, guys, because when you're in this area, you can get a nice view in the Treasure Beach area of the sea, guys. It's a very, very nice view. So when you come this area, guys, you can stand up in the Seaview Square and you will see the nice view of the Treasure Beach area. Very, very nice, guys. So St. Elizabeth is a very, very big parish to me. May look small, but to me there's a lot of place in St. Elizabeth you can go, guys. And we all know St. Elizabeth is also the bread basket. Yeah, man. So you see in a sea view, you see that red shop there. Across right in front of me, that red shop there. If you don't want to do salt fish and dumpling a sea view, well, you can come right to that place and get salt fish and dumpling. Yeah, man. So you need to check out that area there. And also the right turn, if you make the right turn at the Aki tree, that will take you all to one place them call name Congo Hole. Yeah, man, I think a lot of changes have done to Congo Hole. Them fix the road so you have a good road condition to go to Congo Hole, guys. Coming up on your right, guys, you have the Seaview Villa. If you make the right turn, can take you all to Seaview Villa. As they said, excellent service. Yeah, man, so you need to check out the Seaview Villa, guys. And also in this area, guys, yeah, man, so this is the small square where you have your jerk center and everything. And also the primary school is very close in this area, guys. So I'm gonna make the left turn will take you all to the primary school area, guys. So when you're in the Seaview area, the closest town to Seaview area would be Junction Town. So if you want to do your shopping, you can go to the Junction Town area, guys. Very, very clean town. Very, very nice town, guys. So you can check in the playlist. You can see how Junction Town set up. So watch those videos, guys, and also share it. So where I'm at right now, I'm at the Seaview Primary and Infant School. So I'm just gonna give a little tour over the Seaview Primary and Infant School, guys. We all know school is in progress. So we have to care for the kids them, make sure so them alright. So guys, what you think about this area? Tell me what you think. You can leave it in the comment section and tell me what you think about this area, guys. So keep on watching, guys, and you also can indicate where you're watching from. So in the next video I also can give you a shout out, guys, so you can please indicate. Yeah, man, you know, say the new year, happy new year everyone, happy new year. Yeah, look out for some nice content this year, guys. We all know every year something changing, different era, guys. So I'll always keep you posted and informed about our beautiful island Jamaica. So guys, I'm gonna make the left turn. So if I see any land for sale or house, guys, I will always let you know, because living in this area is very nice, guys. Very, very nice place. You know, so we talk about the countryside in St. Elizabeth. I love the country area, guys. I will always talk about the country. No matter where I go, country life is the best for me. A lot of people forget about the country, but I cannot forget about it. When you're in the countryside, you can go out in the morning, get your fresh jelly and your orange mango, and also you can raise all your animals, your pigs and goat and cows. So how can we forget the countryside? So in this area, guys, is also a farming area where they farm their scallion, thyme, cucumber, cabbage, everything them grow at St. Elizabeth, guy. Everything in the Southfield area, Junction side, as you know, the bread basket. So look at the beauty in the St. Elizabeth Parish, guys. So guys, St. Elizabeth, one of Jamaica's largest parishes, is located in the southwest of the island. Yeah man, so don't know. As you can see, the beautiful road condition, guys. Very nice. Very nice road condition. So I'm looking for property in this area, guys. Also house for sale. So we're having some nice weather today in the Southfield area, guys. Very nice weather today. Yeah man, you see the farm, lot of scallion. Look at this view, guys. Look at this view. Very nice view, guys. Trust me, if you get a piece of land in this area, guys, you know say millions of dollars. All $6.5 million for your land in this area, guys. Land is very expensive in the Southfield area because if you see the scenery, you can tell. Yeah, man, so I put Southfield on the map so everybody overseas can see what's going on in our beautiful island, Jamaica, in the area, in the Southfield area, guys. Sea view. Tell us you get a nice view of the sea, the Treasure Beach Sea, guys. And also when you come to St. Elizabeth, you can go to the Treasure Beach area. Also, you can go there, you can find Lashings, Jack Spratt, 77 West. Also, when you go in the Billy's Bay area, guys, and also Great Bay area, guys. Look at this view. I would like for you to come in this area and see the view. Also very close to the Monroe side, guys. You know, Monroe with the windmill hats. You all need to come and check this view out, guys. So guys, keep on watching. I'm gonna take you all back onto the main road, guys. I wish you all was here sitting in the vehicle with me and you can see the natural beauty of this area, guys. Trust me. I'm telling you, very nice area. I like this climate, guys. Very cool, very not too windy. So yes, guys, let us interact on this channel, guys. So tell me if you not learned something about Jamaica. Yeah, man, I need to know if you not learned something about Jamaica, you know, so just tell me what I go on, and also click the like button, free of cost, man. So when you click the like button, other persons can get to see, other people can get to see the video, so you can get to share over YouTube platform. So we just want to know about Jamaica, because when traveling to Jamaica, you have an idea, guys, where to go, what you expect to see there, because a lot of people don't like to go in some areas where them say is zinc fence and everything. Some people just want to go an area where just kind of can see the natural, the different trees and different, you know them thing there. So you have an idea right on this channel, guys. So just click the like button and enjoy the tour, you know. So guys, if you know, I take the right turn, will take you back to Seaview Square, but I will keep left, guys. Tell us, yo, I see a lot of scallion in this area, guys. So yes guys, yeah man, just sit down and enjoy the ride looking at some beautiful houses guys. So guys, we're in the Queensbury area. Yeah man, so now see the beautiful side of Queensbury. So guys, we're on the Queensbury Road guys. So on your left you have the Queensbury Early Childhood Institution guys. So the road condition is not too bad in this area, guys. So if you want a piece of property or you heard about something in this area, you will see exactly how the road condition is. Very, very cool area, guys. I don't know about the water situation around here, but as you can see, they have street lights in this area, guys. So they have electricity in this area. So if you love farming, you know this is a very nice area, guys, to get your property. You can farm your sweet pepper, melon, cucumber, cabbage, thyme, scallion, because this is the right soil for all those grown product, guys. Also your garden eggs.